going to be making a ticketing on so how to make it, we need to have an envelope. You can cut the envelope, right? This. And then you put that envelope. How do that? And you see, you're going to open the envelope. Put this in, put it down, like this, and then erase it, and then so you're going to be, if you want to, like, if you like, you can like do anything. So I'm gonna draw a heart on the outside, and then I'm gonna draw something on the inside. Bless you. And now I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna go inside of it, and then I'm gonna use black, and then I'm gonna put. Fire off the earth. And mine says inside, I love my followers. So I only have like 13 likes on one video, and I hope you can comment down below, give me 1000 likes, and here's my way until the video ends, so I can just speed this up. And then now, this is just gonna be like a fun activity for kids, of course, but don't use scissors, kids. Eat some sniffing first, then a grown up. And that's the grown up. 9 years old. Never mind, I'm 7 years old. I'm allowed to use big scissors because I forgot my little scissors at the time. Espera, mamá.